Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this text template in CapCut PC. First I'm going to add the I'm just going to select PNG background and go to text, add text, select the full text. Change for the text. And change for the font style. And change for the font size from color. So I'm going to change the background, select canvas, select color and select color you like. So after run, you're just going to select any machine and select select blue. So you can find flicker, shadow, ears, and this is Pro. Like you have to join Pro Plus to be able to use this break. So add to the tag and adjust for speed. And here we go. This is the final you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.